There is a correct way and an incorrect way to buy out these beneficiaries and allow the beneficiary keeping the property to keep their parents' low property tax base.
Tanis, let me ask you another question. Why does a beneficiary want the loan to the irrevocable trust in California under Prop 19?
The primary reason we do loans to irrevocable trusts is for Proposition 19, so that whoever wants to keep the property can take advantage of Proposition 19 and keep their parents' low Prop 13 tax base. So California allows a child to inherit their parents' property tax base. And in a lot of circumstances, the trust will have multiple heirs, and there will be a property as the primary asset of this trust and little or no cash. You have one of the beneficiaries that wants to keep the property, the other ones want to be bought out. There is a correct way and an incorrect way to buy out these beneficiaries and allow the beneficiary keeping the property to keep their parents' low property tax base. So if we'll just say Joe's the one that wants to keep the property and he wants to buy out his two siblings. Joe has enough money to give to his siblings. Should he choose to do it that way, the State Board of Equalization views that as a sibling buying out a sibling, and it triggers a reassessment on the property taxes. If Joe goes out and gets a mortgage in his individual name to give money to his siblings, that again is viewed as a sibling buying out a sibling and triggers a reassessment on the property taxes. But for whatever reason, under Proposition 19, California, the State Board of Equalization wrote in their law that if the trust takes out the loan to correctly equalize distributions, it is not viewed as a sibling buying out a sibling, and it's the correct way to equalize distributions so that whoever's keeping the property can keep their parents' low property tax base or as much of it under Prop 19 as possible. So that is the primary reason we do the lending for Prop 19 in California, is to preserve property taxes for beneficiaries.